Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Sleeping with a propane space heater on is dangerous and potentially deadly for you and your family. In fact, that's how more than half of the fires caused by space heaters get started. If you are using a vent-free propane space heater, using it while sleeping puts you in danger of carbon monoxide (CO) poisoning. 11 February 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
If staying warm inside your tent while camping and the outside temperature reaches the negatives, you're going to want the Mr. Heater Buddy. It's a very easy to use and portable heater that works perfectly for tent camping.
Let's help you make your mark.
Yes, you can use a propane heater in a garage. There are only two main stipulations: it must have adequate and combustion air to operate, and you have to keep it away from flammable materials. There are some portable propane heaters that can be used indoors with a disposable propane tank. 31 January 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.